I'm Mike Hackard with Hackard Law, and we represent heirs and beneficiaries in Contra Costa County estate and trust litigation. Walnut Creek, Danville, Alamo, Lafayette, Orinda, and Blackhawk represent the East Bay's most established professional communities, neighborhoods where corporate executives, physicians, attorneys, and successful business owners built substantial wealth through decades of Bay Area careers. Now, as this generation ages, elder financial abuse is increasingly targeting seniors, whose estates include valuable homes, retirement portfolios, and family legacies built over distinguished professional lives. Contra Costa County contains a distinctive concentration of professional wealth built through Bay Area careers, rather than inherited money or tech windfalls. Corporate executives who commuted to San Francisco's financial district for 30 years, physicians who built practices at John Muir Medical Center and throughout the East Bay, attorneys and accountants whose professional success, combined with decades of Bay Area home ownership, created multi-million-dollar estates, and retirees who sold homes in more expensive markets, San Francisco, the Peninsula, Marin, and brought substantial assets to Contra Costa's more spacious communities. This professional wealth concentrates in distinct patterns across the county. Lafayette and Orinda's hillside homes attract executives seeking top-rated schools and BART accessibility. Walnut Creek's downtown vibrancy draws retirees who want walkable amenities. Danville and Alamo offer established neighborhoods where families have lived for generations, and Blackhawk's gated communities, among the wealthiest 2% of neighborhoods in America, attract those seeking privacy and country club lifestyle. When these accomplished professionals experience cognitive decline, their substantial estates become targets for predators who recognize that professional achievement doesn't protect against vulnerability. With California's largest concentration of seniors, Rossmoor deserves special attention. This gated retirement community in Walnut Creek houses nearly 10,000 residents with an average age of 77 across 6,700 homes on 1,800 acres. Many Rossmoor residents built successful careers as executives, professionals, and business owners before retiring to this active adult community. They brought substantial assets, retirement accounts, investment portfolios, and proceeds from selling Bay Area homes they'd owned for decades. Rossmoor's scale creates both community and vulnerability. The concentration of elderly residents with significant assets, many living alone after losing spouses, creates a target-rich environment for financial predators. Caregivers, new acquaintances, and even fellow residents can exploit the community's social structure to gain access to vulnerable seniors. The types of cases we litigate throughout Contra Costa County follow patterns shaped by professional wealth and community character. The retirement community exploitation. Rossmoor's nearly 10,000 elderly residents face distinct risks. Caregivers hired to assist with daily activities gradually expand their role, managing finances, accompanying residents to banks, gaining power of attorney. We've litigated cases where caregivers systematically drained retirement accounts, accumulated over entire professional careers. The community's gated security protects against strangers, but not against threats already inside. The adult child. Financial abuse. Contra Costa. Seniors often have adult children dispersed across the country. Bay Area housing costs pushed many to Texas, Arizona, or beyond. A troubling pattern involves the child who remained local, gaining power of attorney or trustee authority, then exploiting that position. We see unauthorized transfers from retirement accounts, loans against home equity that are never repaid, and manipulation of aging parents to disinherit siblings who moved away. The country club, predator, Blackhawk Country Club, Diablo Country Club, and other prestigious social institutions provide access points for sophisticated predators. We see patterns where individuals cultivate relationships through golf, social events, and club activities, building trust over months before moving toward financial exploitation. Investment schemes, loans that disappear, romantic relationships designed to access wealth. The professional advisor betrayal. Successful professionals spent careers working with accountants, attorneys, and financial advisors. A troubling pattern involves longtime advisors who recognize cognitive decline in elderly clients and exploit that vulnerability. Decades of trust become the mechanism of abuse as professionals redirect assets, recommend inappropriate transactions, or facilitate estate plan changes benefiting the advisor. The caregiver isolation scheme. Contra Costa's spread out communities, hillside homes in Orinda, estates in Alamo, gated properties in Blackhawk can isolate seniors. Caregivers who gain household access systematically cut off elderly residents from family and friends, intercepting mail, screening calls, and controlling visitors. By the time families recognize warning signs, substantial assets have been redirected. The real estate appreciation scheme. Contra Costa home values have appreciated dramatically. A Lafayette home purchased for $200,000 in 1985 may now be worth $3 million or more. Predators target these properties, convincing elderly owners to add names to deeds, executing transfers during diminished capacity, or manipulating owners into below-market sales. The widowed senior romance scheme. Rossmoor and Walnut Creek's vibrant social scenes, downtown restaurants, community clubs, senior centers, provide hunting grounds for romantic predators. We see patterns where widowed or divorced seniors seeking companionship encounter individuals who cultivate relationships specifically to access wealth. New partners met through community events, dating services, or social organizations quickly move toward financial entanglement. Joint accounts and estate plan changes. The grief and loneliness following a spouse's death create vulnerability that sophisticated predators exploit. Several factors create heightened vulnerability in Contra Costa County. Geographic family dispersion. Bay Area housing costs, among the nation's highest, push adult children elsewhere. When family members live in Sacramento, Portland, Phoenix, or beyond, local predators have access that distant relatives cannot monitor. Professional trust. Patterns. Successful professionals spent careers delegating complex matters to specialists, accountants, attorneys, financial advisors. This pattern of trusting credentialed experts makes seniors vulnerable to anyone presenting professional credentials, legitimate or fabricated. Retirement community. Concentration. Rossmoor's nearly 10,000 elderly residents create the state's largest concentration of seniors with significant assets in a single community. This scale attracts predators who recognize efficiency in targeting. Gated community. False security. Blackhawk's gates and Rossmoor's security protect against strangers, but not against threats already inside. Staff, fellow residents, caregivers, or romantic partners who've gained legitimate access. BART corridor. Accessibility. The same transit accessibility that made Contra Costa attractive for professional careers also provides easy access for predators who travel from elsewhere to exploit elderly victims. California law provides powerful protections for elder financial abuse victims. Under welfare and institutions, Code Section 15610(3), financial abuse includes taking property through undue influence, fraud, or from someone lacking capacity. Successful claims can recover all property taken or its current value, attorney fees and litigation costs, double damages for bad faith conduct, and punitive damages in egregious cases. When predators have already taken substantial assets, families often cannot afford hourly legal fees exceeding $200,000. Local firms may represent both sides of trust disputes, sometimes trustees, sometimes beneficiaries. Hackard Law is different. We exclusively represent plaintiffs, the victims of trust and estate abuse, never the wrongdoers. Our contingency fee model eliminates financial barriers. We advance litigation costs and defer compensation until successful recovery. If we don't recover assets, clients pay no attorney fees. This structure gives Contra Costa families equal footing against well-funded wrongdoers. California imposes strict deadlines on elder financial abuse claims, generally 3 years from discovery or 4 years from occurrence. Trust contests may have even shorter windows. When Contra Costa County families suspect elder financial abuse, immediate consultation with experienced counsel is essential. Hackard Law represents heirs and beneficiaries in estate, trust, and elder financial abuse litigation throughout Contra Costa County in California. Contact us today at 916-313-30. We'll be happy to speak with you. Hackard Law, call the sage.